What is up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install the best Google camera for the Mi 11X. As you all know, the smartphone is absolutely good in terms of the camera quality. So let's see how to improve it further. So I've given you the link in the description. You have to download the specific version MGC 8.1.101. You need to tap on SnapCam and then you need to tap on snap.apk one more time. So by this your download will start to happen. Now once the APK will be downloaded, what you need to do is you need to go to the place where you have downloaded the APK. Like it will be in downloads. Just tap on the APK one more time and then you have to tap on install. So it will take a few seconds to install, and once the install is complete, what you need to do is you just need to go back to your home screen. Go scroll and open the APK. Now just enable and give all the permissions it asks. This is a very important step, and now you need to do some of the settings which are very important for this app to run. First of all, swipe down and tap on auto white balance. Go to settings. In settings you need to scroll down, you need to go in advanced, you need to go in OpenGL preview and auto night side. Then you need to go back. Then you need to scroll down, tap on settings. One more time you need to go in advanced, you need to tap on SDR control. You need to tap on dropless JPEG control as well. Then go back and go back. Scroll down, tap on SDR plus and disable RAW. Now because of this your image quality is gonna be absolutely awesome. So as you guys can see, the SDR image processing is working. It's very good. You can literally see the details in the shadows and the highlights, and every camera works and all the features actually work as well. So if I take a normal photo from the back camera with HDR plus, you will see it takes a bit of time to process, but the level of detail and clarity you get is incredibly awesome. It's just great for that 48 megapixel sensor to work. Then the front camera also works, and most importantly, video recording is also like working nicely. It has EIS, so EIS makes your video smoother. So yeah, the video recording, let me just show you how the video recording works. Let's go in video. You guys can see it supports 1080p up to 60 fps, but in 4K as we switch, it just capped at 30 fps. So it can't do 4K at 60 fps, but still the quality is gonna be amazing. And portrait mode is also working. So if I just take a portrait photo of myself, let's take with 1x zoom. Let's go. And as you guys can see, the image quality is absolutely phenomenal. We get great edge separation and great details in the hair. So that's pretty much it for the best Google camera for the Mi 11X. What do you think? Make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.